Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Skillet Hub's channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every homeowner: HVAC maintenance. HVAC, which stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, plays a vital role in keeping our homes comfortable and ensuring optimal air quality. Stick around as we explore how HVAC systems work, the types of HVAC systems, and the benefits of regular maintenance. Let's go! Understanding HVAC systems. HVAC, an acronym for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, is a complex system designed not only to control temperature but also to improve indoor air quality. Regular HVAC maintenance is essential to keep this system running optimally. How HVAC systems work. The ventilation process involves moving air from indoor to outdoor spaces and vice versa. Natural ventilation, which occurs through openings like windows and doors, is common in homes. In tightly sealed spaces, mechanical ventilation is required. The HVAC system then cleans and adjusts the temperature of the air before distributing it into the rooms. Types of HVAC systems. Ductless HVAC. This energy-efficient system lacks ducts, reducing air distribution friction. Components include a condensed fan coil, a thermostat, and air filters. Hybrid HVAC. This system automatically adjusts to cooling or heating modes based on temperature changes. It's known for its energy efficiency, especially in winter. Components include a furnace, air quality improvement devices, and ducts. Packaged HVAC systems. Ideal for buildings with limited indoor space, these systems are easily installed outside. Components include tools for air quality improvement and a thermostat. Split HVAC. Widely used and cost-efficient, this system has components both inside and outside the building. It comprises heating and cooling units, a pump, and a programmable thermostat. A monthly HVAC maintenance plan offers numerous benefits. Reduces energy bills. Well-maintained systems operate efficiently, saving on energy costs. Reduces maintenance costs. Regular checks prevent small issues from becoming expensive problems. Longer system lifespan. Timely maintenance ensures components last longer, requiring fewer repairs. Better air quality. Properly maintained systems have efficient filters, improving indoor air quality. To keep your HVAC system in top condition, follow these best practices. Change filters regularly. Every 60 to 90 days is recommended. Protect outdoor unit. Shield it from harsh weather and remove debris like leaves. Consider covers but ensure they don't affect efficiency. Check refrigerant lines. Damaged lines can lead to inefficiencies. Clear condenser drain. Use a bleach water mix to prevent algae or mold buildup. Inspect fan blades. Worn out or rusted blades should be replaced promptly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to HVAC maintenance. Regular checks and proper care not only ensure your system operates efficiently but also prolong its lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home maintenance tips, and hit that notification bell.